Hi everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making a doll stand. This is Bella Twinkle. She's an ultra rare poopsie fantasy friend. We will be using this brown silicone mold and epoxy resin to make the stand. We'll place her near the front like this. And to decorate the stand, I have a number of crystal molds. So the first thing we want to do is to make some space for her feet. We want her to stand in the resin and still be removable. So we need to make a mold of her feet. Using a lump of clay, we're going to put her feet in and make a mold. Inside, we'll pour in a bit of composing mold, which is a reusable molding material. After it cools, we essentially have a copy of Bella's feet. Now, let's mix some resin. I'm going to mix 16 grams of resin. In it, we'll add some green color and green glitter. And we're going to pour it into our mold. Near the front, we're going to set our feet in the resin. The resin will not stick to the composing mold, so we can remove it easily later. Here, we're giving a quick blast of heat gun to get rid of the bubbles, and then we'll let it cure overnight. Next, let's make the crystals. We're going to add a tiny bit of the green resin on the bottom, and then fill the rest of the mold with clear resin. Then, we're going to add real dried flowers and leaves, one piece at a time. This part is a lot of fun. We're just going to add different colored flowers towards the top and green leaves near the bottom. I also have some 3D butterfly stickers. These, we're going to give it a coat of resin to make it nice and shiny. So it's been a day and now we're ready to take out these little crystals. So here is the smallest one. Here's our first one, and oh my goodness, look at this. It is beautiful. Oh wow, this one's really nice too. Just look at the flowers inside. This is so pretty. Here's the third one. Oh, this one turned out really nice too. Just take a look at that. Here is the next one. This one is looking really good too. And this one's a bigger one. And here is our last one. Oh my gosh, this one is really pretty too. Alright everyone, so here are all 6. I think they turned out really beautiful. And I love that there's a little bit of green down here on the bottom. Using UV resin, we're going to glue the 2 largest pieces together. Once they're connected, we're going to glue them right here, leaving some space for our fairy. A little bit of UV resin to act as the glue, making sure we have it right where we want it. We're going to do the same with the next 2 crystals. And we'll set the crystals here. Back on the left side, let's add one of the smaller crystals. What I'd like to do is start with a UV flashlight, and then once it's holding, transfer it to my larger UV lamp to fully cure. And let's do one last one here near the front. Next, we're going to add the butterflies, but before we do that, we're going to coat the bag with some glitter. We're going to attach them using UV resin. Let's mix another batch of resin. We're going to do another 16 grams. Then we'll pour the clear resin on top. After that, we'll take a bit of gold and swirl it around the resin. Alright everyone, so our stand is ready. So let's go ahead and unmold it. So let's go ahead and take the feet out. There's one. There's the other one. So as you can see, there's a bit of a raised lip around here, which we can cut off. And then let's take off the bottom mold. Alright, so take a look at this. This is super cool. Now we're going to file down the edges with a nail tool. Remember to wear a respirator or dust mask, as you do not want to breathe in epoxy resin. Let's clear the dust away. Alright, so we are done. So here is a little footprint for the doll, and here is an up-close look at the stand. So we have all these crystals, and inside each of them we have embedded some real dried flowers. They're so pretty with all these colors inside. Oh my goodness, look at this. And then of course we also added a few extra butterflies. Alright, so the moment of truth. And there she is. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so perfect. It's such a nice stand for her. And now she no longer falls over. And the great thing about it is she is removable, so she is not embedded in the resin. We can actually just put her in there. And now we can just put it anywhere we want without fear of her falling over. Alright everyone, so this was a lot of fun. I love the way it turned out. In fact, it turned out better than I thought it would. So if you want to see me do more of these doll stands, let me know down below in the comment section. And I'll see you next time. Bye!